You're listening to the LMR Public Adjusters blog podcast. We specialize in public adjusting and consulting services for the policyholder. Learn more at www.lmrpublicadjusters.com. Today's topic is the Groundhog Speaks. What about property grounds and insurance? Groundhog Day is an annual folkloric predictor for the start of the spring season. On February 2nd, if the groundhog shadow doesn't appear, spring is imminent. Conversely, if his shadow is visible, spring won't be coming for another 6 weeks or so. While the groundhog shadow is not scientifically reliable to predict spring's arrival, by contrast, the state of your property grounds can be indicative of current damage or predictive of damage in the future. Soil changes can ultimately dislodge your property from its foundation, causing minor, if not major, damage. Earth movement coverage is meant to protect you from unusual soil movement, which causes property damage. Bear in mind that normal soil movement is not usually covered, so you should investigate whether the property was constructed correctly. When dealing with swamps and sinkholes, insurance is usually called ground cover collapse coverage and can insure property foundation damage. Remember that water seeps. This means a flood might not only damage the building, it might damage the foundation of the building, thus causing more damage. Therefore, if you have a flood, this coverage could protect you from major water damage to your home and foundation. A burst pipe is similar to a flood in the sense that it can leak into the ground of your property and disrupt the foundation, causing damage. Look into whether your burst pipe coverage includes foundational damage. Subterranean termites often build their homes in soil mounds, creating intricate tunnel systems leading to wood which they feed on. If this wood is part of your home, over time, these termites' appetites could cause damage to your home's foundation. Homeowners insurance usually does not cover this type of damage, so make sure you are taking preventative measures against termites. Unlike the groundhog, you don't need to look at your shadow to predict what's ahead. Being aware of the above-ground issues with regards to property damage can make sure you have the correct insurance coverage and/or are taking steps to avoid the problem in the first place. If you have any questions regarding home insurance coverage, contact us. Thank you for listening to the LMR Public Adjuster podcast. We specialize in public adjusting and consulting services for the policyholder. You can reach us by calling area code 954-603-7174 or by going to www.lmrpublicadjusters.com. Thank you for listening.